Hello children, how are you? Grandma Abi just wants to show you a very small experiment I want you to do with your mommy and daddies at home. I've got 4 cups of water, small water in a cup. 1, 2, 3, 4 cups of water, and I've got different colors of food coloring. This is yellow, blue, orange, and green. Grandma Abi is going to put some green in one of the cups. Now I'm going to put the green coloring, food coloring, not the gel one, it's the liquid one, and I'm going to put the orange in there. We want to see if we can see some of the rainbow colors, and blue in the next cup, and we've got orange. We put orange in the last cup. There you go. And I've got 3 pieces of cut out tissue, so I'm going to dip one in the blue and the yellow coloring, and another one in the blue and the yellow and the blue and the blue and the orange, and I'll dip the third one inside the orange and the green. Let's see what's going to happen. Can you see that the tissue is absorbing the color now, and the color is going to go from yellow into blue, blue into orange, and orange into green? Can you see? Can you see? The tissue is being soaked with different colors now, and the water is coming up. They're going to join together. Yeah, the blue one is going to join with the orange one, and the orange one is going to join with the green one. Can you see? Can you see? Yeah, the green is coming up. Can you see the orange one? The blue is the fastest. And can you see the yellow? Oh dear, that is an experiment I want you to do with your mommy and daddies at home. Just cut a little piece of tissue, put it in the water with the coloring, and see what's going to happen. They're going to join together now. Wow, this is a wonderful experiment. Yeah, rainbow colors. What color can you see? What colors can you see? Can you see yellow? What color is this? Yellow. Blue. The orange is not coming up fast, but it's still coming up, and that is green. And can you see how they're absorbing it? How the tissue is absorbing the colors. And this is the final color. See, they've all absorbed all the colors. Yeah. Can you see? The orange is going into the yellow. The yellow is going into the orange. Orange into blue. Blue into green, and green into blue. Well done. Can you do that at home with mommy and daddy? Yeah, get different colors and try and do this experiment. Yeah, this is a wonderful experiment to show you how colors transfer from one side of the cup to the other side of the cup. Well done, children. We're still waiting for the green. It's coming up slowly. Yeah, the orange is coming up slowly as well. I use toilet roll, but it's better to use kitchen tissue. If you use kitchen tissue, it will absorb it quickly. But I've got no white kitchen tissue, that's why I'm using the toilet roll. See, they're joining together now. The yellow and the blue is joining together. Wow, and the orange is coming to meet the blue one now. Can you see? Wow, that's wonderful. I want you to do it at home with mommy and daddy, okay? Get different food colorings. Tell mommy to buy you food colorings, and you do the experiment with a plain cup. It can be a glass cup, and it can be a plastic cup with water, a little bit of water in the cups. Well done, children. I hope you enjoy my small experiment. See you later. Grandma Abi loves you. Bye.